What's up, YouTube? Jeff, your Style O.G. And on today's video, I'm going to share with you my picks for the 10 best affordable summer essentials for this year. If you're new to the channel, we release a new video every Monday, Thursday, and Saturday at 4 p.m. Eastern, discussing various men's lifestyle topics such as style, grooming, and dating. I invite you to subscribe, tap that notification bell, and join us. And to my returning friends like Pierre Villigent, salute. Now today's video is actually a bit of a companion piece to a recent video I did about the summer style essentials you need for this year. Now in the comment section, I got a bunch of questions. Hey Jeff, link me to some of those choices you're talking about so I can pick them up. So that's what we're gonna do in today's video, and we're also gonna do it in a very affordable way. In today's video, I've got 10 great summer style essentials that'll have you looking good without breaking your pockets. And of course, I'm gonna have a link in the description to all the pieces I talk about in today's video if you wanna grab one or two for yourself. So without any further delay, let's hop right into it. Now our first selection is one of my favorite choices when it comes to shirts this summer. A step up from your typical t-shirt. I highly recommend you pick yourself up a short sleeve Henley, like the one we have here from today, this Express Super Soft Short Sleeve Henley. I absolutely love a Henley year round, but a short sleeve one, of course, works great during the summer. Now this Henley from Express has a 3-button placket, and I love that it's a great mix of cotton and spandex, making it super soft, stretchy, and comfortable. On top of that, it has moisture wicking properties that of course are very helpful for that summer sweat. It comes in 7 great colors, it's comfortable, it'll move with you, it's breathable, it's super soft. A lot to love about this Express Super Soft Short Sleeve Henley, and it's only gonna cost you around 22 bucks. Speaking of a pick that's breathable, will move with you, and with some stretch, I've got an excellent choice for a pant selection this summer. I highly recommend you grab yourself a pair of chinos, specifically these Old Navy Ultimate Tech chinos. Now, of course, chinos can be your go-to throughout the year, but a lightweight choice works very well during the summer, especially this choice from Old Navy. It's pre-washed for super softness, has moisture wicking and breathable fabrics, and it also has great dry, quick properties. And on top of that, it has 6 great colors to choose from. Lightweight, breathable, moisture wicking, have you looking stylish throughout the summer? Definitely grab you a pair of these Old Navy Ultimate Tech chinos. They're only gonna cost you 40 bucks. Now, of course, most guys don't want to go the whole summer wearing long pants. You're gonna want to throw some shorts in the mix. And a great choice for most guys is gonna be some flat front shorts. And an excellent affordable choice are these Target Goodfellow & Company Linden shorts. These are an excellent choice for this summer. They have a nice cotton spandex blend that make them breathable and comfortable. Great flat front design with a plain hem, and they come in at 9 inches, a great length for most guys that'll fall right above the knee. Great poplin cotton construction, and they come in a wide ranges of fits. You've got your regular fit and big and tall. And I've already put my money where my mouth is. I have a pair myself. Lightweight, comfortable, and breathable. A great choice from Target Goodfellow & Company, and they're only gonna cost you 20 bucks. Now, one of the great things to do to look good but be comfortable during the summer is picking clothing that have the right fabrics, like of course, linen, which is why I definitely recommend this next selection, a linen button-down shirt from J. Crew Factory. Not only is this one made of linen, it has a nice linen cotton blend for breathability and structure. It has that great classic button-down collar, and it's a regular fit, so it'll fit a lot of different body types. And I love that it comes in several colors and patterns. Great choice when it's time to throw on a button-down this summer. I highly recommend this J. Crew linen button-down is only gonna cost you 26 bucks. Now, of course, when it comes to your summer style, you wanna have those finishing touches, like a great fragrance. But during the summer, you need it to be warm weather appropriate. You want one that's fresh, clean, bright, and maybe even a little citrusy. Like our next great choice here, Bentley for Men Azure. This one is citrusy, it's sweet, it's earthy, it's green, very summer appropriate. And it arrives at this great scent with a combination of top notes of violet leaf, pineapple, tangerine, and bergamot, mid notes of lavender, paprika, and sage, and base notes of cashmere woods and tonka bean. All combined to give you this great summer scent. It's citrusy, it's fresh, it's clean, but it's masculine. Excellent choice for the summer. I highly recommend Bentley from Men Azure, and it's only gonna cost you 30 bucks. Next up on the list, I have a great summer shoe that'll help you out in almost any situation you find yourself during the hot weather. The most versatile shoe you can wear during the summer, a brown loafer. And an excellent affordable choice, this Johnson & Murphy Lewis penny loafer. This one just has a nice classic but sleek modern design. It has a notched penny loafer strap and a layered toe, and I love the little detailing of the burnishing on the toe. It's made with polished, full grain leather, and it has a removable memory sole for extra comfort. It has a textile lining and a rubber sole so you don't slip. A super duper classic design, very versatile. You can wear it in a wide range of situations. Love this penny loafer from Johnson & Murphy, and it's only gonna run you 99 bucks. Now, I don't know if you're anything like me, but sometimes you just wanna grab a no-brainer pick and get on with your day. And that's definitely what we have with our next choice. One of the best affordable polos you can grab this year or any summer. I highly recommend you take a look at Uniqlo's polos. I recommend these every year. That's because they have a classic, simple, no-brainer design. Great classic, well-fitting design, and they're made with Uniqlo's dry fit technology that will keep you dry throughout the warm weather. Come in tons of colors, and I'm here to tell you, I believe this punches way above its price range. A great fitting, timeless design. I highly recommend you take a look at Uniqlo's polos. They're only gonna run you 20 bucks. Now, next up is a great affordable way to dip your toe into a trend that's been around the last couple of years, but it's still hot this summer. And it just so happens to be what I'm wearing right now. You wanna pick up a floral shirt. But in particular, one of my favorites, this Express super soft rayon floral shirt. I've definitely been incorporating the floral trend into my wardrobe the last couple of years. And this one from Express is one of my favorites. It's super soft, very comfortable, relaxed throughout the body, has a classic camp collar, and I love the navy color as the base. Fits well all over. Relaxed through the body, but a nice fit in the shoulders and the chest. Super soft, super comfortable, very on trend. I highly recommend this Express super soft floral shirt. It's only gonna run you 32 bucks. Next up, I want to hip you to one of the best kept secrets when it comes to affordable summer style, and one I've been utilizing for many years. And it's not a particular product, but a whole line of products. You definitely want to take a look at Nordstrom's line of affordable sunglasses. Now, I'm talking about a wide range of sunglasses styles that are only going to run you 10 to 15 bucks. And the great thing about it, every time you go on Nordstrom, they're changing the selections up. You got aviator styles, wayfarer styles, a wide range of sunglass choices to fit every face shape. I've been going back to Nordstrom every year, probably for 10 years, grabbing these $10 to $15 shades. And I highly recommend you do so too. Want a great pair of stylish shades that won't break the bank? Check out Nordstrom's sunglasses. Now, next up on the list is an affordable sneaker choice. And one, if you've been watching this channel the last couple of years, you won't be surprised to see. I rock this one year round, but love it during the summer. Definitely want to grab yourself a pair of Nike Killshot 2s. I absolutely love this shoe. It has an OG design with modern updates. You got your suede and leather hits, and of course, one of my favorite elements, a gum sole. Minimal enough to wear in a wide range of situations, but not quite as boring as an all-white shoe. Comfortable, it's versatile, it's classic. I wear it throughout the year, but it's one of my go-to sneakers throughout the summer. You want a classic sneaker design that looks great on almost everybody and won't break the bank? Check out a pair of Nike Killshot 2s. They only run 90 bucks. Now, as you can see, you can easily have a wide-ranging, stylish summer wardrobe without doing too much damage to your pockets. If you pick up one or several choices from today's list, you'll be on your way to a very stylish summer 2021. Now, of course, I always love to have your feedback. Let me know in the comment section which one of these choices caught your eye and you might pick up.